Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide apps, photos, videos and documents on Samsung Galaxy A14. Go in Play Store, tap on search, right here Files by Google. Tap on this application and simply install it. Files by Google is installed, open it, tap on continue, tap on allow permission. Here you can see the save folder, tap on save folder, select any lock. I am selecting pin, tap on next. Next, tap on OK, go back. Now I want to move images to my save folder, then go in images. For example, I am selecting this image, tap on three dots, tap on move to, tap on three dots, tap on move to save folder. Enter the pin. As you can see, one file moved. Go back, go in save folder, enter your pin. As you can see, images here. Similarly, you can do with videos, audios and application. If you want to hide save folder, then tap on three dots and simply hide save folder. As you can see, save folder is hidden. If you want to show save folder, then again tap on three dots, show save folder. This is how you can hide apps, photos, videos and documents on Samsung Galaxy A14. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.